Let's now talk about Tamil Nadu. The battle for the state is heating up with BJP and AIADMK fighting it out. War of words peaked between Tamil Nadu BJP chief and AIADMK General Secretary over remarks made by Annamalai, Tamil Nadu candidate from Coimbatore and state BJP chief. Annamalai has claimed that AIADMK will come in the hands of TTV Dinakaran after the Lok Sabha elections, as all party members and volunteers are on the side of Dinakaran. Annamalai has said that EPS has given the party in the hands of contractors, and it is evident from the candidates he has fielded. Also, the General Secretary of AIADMK, Deputy K. Palaniswamy, has hit back at Annamalai, saying that he should mind his own words. While speaking in Salem, EPS has said that several people before him have said the same, but could do nothing. He then warned Annamalai to watch what he is speaking and claimed that unlike him, appointed by Delhi, he had come from grassroots to become
ஆனா அதிமுக தொண்டர்கள் எல்லாம் இந்த பக்கம் தொண்டர்களுக்கு தெரியும் எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமி அவர்களை பொறுத்தவரை கான்ட்ராக்டருக்காக நடத்தப்படக்கூடிய ஒரு கட்சினா இன்னைக்கு அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகம். அதனால் தான் நான் தொடர்ந்து சொல்லிக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றேன் 2024 தேர்தலுக்கு பிறகு எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமி அவர்கள் தலைமையிலான அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகம் இருக்காது. அந்த தொண்டர்கள் எல்லாம் அண்ணன் டிடிவி தினகரன் அவர்கள் பின்பு அணிவகுத்து நிற்க போகின்றார்கள். அது ஜூன் 4ஆம் தேதிக்கு பிறகு அது நடக்கத்தான் போகுது.
98ல ஊரா தாமரை சின்னம் இருக்குதுன்னு காட்டுதே அதிமுக தான். நீங்க அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் தலைவர், நீங்க எப்படி ஐபிஎஸ் படிச்சு போனீங்களோ அது மாதிரி அப்பாயின்மெண்ட்ல வந்திருக்கீங்க. கொஞ்சம் கவனமா பேசுங்க. ஒரு கவுன்சிலரா கூட முடியல, ஒரு எம்எல்ஏ முடியல, எம்பி முடியல, நீ வந்து இவ்வளவு வக்காலத்து வாங்கி அதிமுக ஒழிப்ப.
To the imbecile Annamalai who said yesterday that after 2024 elections OPS and TTV will retrieve AIADMK emerging victorious. Any upcoming local body elections, I will contest as a councillor and I'll fight in an independent symbol. I'll emerge victorious. After that victory, I will go all the way and retrieve BJP by replacing Nadda.
All right, Pramod Madhav is getting us more details on that story. Pramod, what is brewing here? Give us a sense of what is the equation really between the BJP and the AIADMK that have fallen apart essentially.
Well, so yeah, we can simply say that it looks like Annamalai has finally stepped on the sleeping giant and he has woken up AIADMK once again, because till now, be it EPS or any other leaders from the party, did not criticize BJP in any form. In fact, this was the reason even Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and Udaynithi Stalin were constantly claiming that AIADMK and BJP seem to be in a secret kind of pact. But right now, what has occurred is that Annamalai goes ahead and says that TTV Dinakaran and OPS will retrieve AIADMK after the elections, and this is something AIADMK is not ready to accept. In fact, EPS has gone ahead and even given us kind of like a veiled threat to Annamalai, stating that he should be careful of what he is talking about, because AIADMK is not such kind of a party. And he also says that unlike Annamalai, who is an appointed leader, people in AIADMK are hard workers and they have come to such positions, and it is not right for him to speak in such manner, Sneha.
All right, thanking you, Pramod Madhav, for getting us up to speed with those details for the moment.